Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my bed chambers. I am not quite awake yet this morning, so good morning. Today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day video, and as always, if you guys are interested in trying Nutrisystem, there's a 50% off link down below in the description and on the top of the comments. So today I am going to start off with some black coffee and this Crunch Toffee nut bar for breakfast. Says naturally flavored with other natural flavors. 190 calories, 15 grams of total fat, and 5 grams of dietary fiber. So, yum. Alright, so I'm gonna open this all nice and slow like for you. So that's gonna be really chewy, exactly like toffee. I could barely break it. It's really sticky too. That's gonna get stuck in your teeth. But looks good. Well, a solid B for flavor, and I'm pretty positive that can break your teeth. Quick side note, for anyone who has a hard time working out in the morning, I would say at least do stretches or yoga or some type of meditation in the morning. It really helps. At least for me it does. This also helps. I just got this for Christmas. I guess I was good and Santa got me something. No, so I got this. This was actually not too expensive. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like 50 bucks. So, sorry, I just did a bunch of squats. If you're interested in getting one of those, I'll link mine down below, or like one that looks pretty similar. I think it helps me a lot because then I can kind of see the way I'm progressing, and then the more I see that day to day, I feel like I want to keep up with it, because once you see that you've been burning so many calories or you've been staying active, and then you see one day maybe you've been falling behind because whatever reason, I mean, it's okay to take it easy on some days, but if you have the opportunity and you're just being extra lazy that day, sometimes it just gives you that momentum and that pump to want to keep moving and be like, you know what, I did such a good job all week. I did so good yesterday, and I kind of just want to keep it up, you know, break records and stuff. All right, so it's late morning and I'm going to take my probiotic shake. So do not forget to take yours if you have one. It really, really helps, especially if you are someone who likes to work out somewhat like in the early morning or late morning. And then just a little bit, I'm going to move on to lunch, which is this 3 cheese chicken lunch, which has 200 calories, 5 grams of total fat, 4 grams of dietary fiber, and 10 grams of protein. So not bad. I'll show you what that looks like. It's supposed to be cheesy chicken, broccoli, and tomato. I'll open that up, show you what that looks like pre-made, and then after it's made, and the portion size of it. Alright, now that I heated this up, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look really watery, so you have to cover it up with foil. And I'm just explaining that part because in one of my other videos I didn't. I just had music on in the background and I showed it with the foil, and people were asking that in the comments. Did you just heat that in the microwave with the foil on? No, I did not. I heated it up first and then I covered it up with foil so that it traps the heat in and it cooks up the noodles. So this is what it ended up looking like already cooked. Looks okay, a little mushy. This is kind of what the portion size looks like. Not too bad, not the best, but it is pasta, so I'll take what I can get, you know? Here goes nothing. I don't know if I heated that up enough. I feel like there were some hard, chewy parts. It is cheesy. It just tastes a little funny. Maybe just because it's really low-fat cheese, I want to think. Not my favorite. All right, for dinner later, I'm going to be having this barbecue seasoned chicken. 140 calories, 5 grams of total fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. So for today's evening snack for my Power Fuel and Smart Carb, I decided to do some oats with a little bit of blueberries. Since I know this coloring probably looks kind of gross, but I promise it's not. It's just water, some old-fashioned oats with blueberries, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and it is actually really, really good. It's just a little bit gray, but delicious. I think the key point in when you're looking for smart carbs and power fuels is you want to pair things so that it's going to keep you full for longer, something that's going to keep your body satiated. It's either going to be more food that helps keep you full, or it's going to be, even if it's something smaller, you're going to choose something that might be smaller, but it's very, very filling. Here is the whole wheat toast that I'm going to make. Okay, so at least I know that dinner will be better because I've had the barbecue chicken before and I know that I like it. So I have that list to look forward to, because if I'm being honest, the more I ate of the noodles, the more I disliked it. Like, lunch was just really bad. I didn't even finish the whole thing. I ended up tossing it away because, yeah, the shake kind of kept me full anyway, but I don't think I'll be having that in particular thing again. However, one thing that I wanted to interject while I'm waiting for my toast to be made, fancy toast, is that the reason that something like that can happen and I don't just revert to like getting hungry and going after something that's unhealthy and I just kind of make do with what I have and then I wait for my next meal, or, you know, maybe just grab like a few carrots or like vegetables, is because we're nearing the end of the year, and I think 2020 has been really bad for a lot of people, obviously. And I just think that with the whole new year coming up and so many things that are out of our control, our health journey is for the most part within our control. I can control what I put in my body, and I have the say or the ability to eat healthy or eat not healthy, exercise or not exercise, and those have good or bad consequences, and I like knowing that I'm in control of that and that I can make this year, I can finish this year out a lot better than what it started, and that I can go into the next year feeling good about myself and feeling like I've accomplished something and feeling like I'm pumped up for the new year because I already ended this year on a good note, you know what I mean? Basically all I'm saying is choose the road and choose the path that is gonna better us, you know? And hopefully, if you let me, we can do that together, because I need accountability and I know other people out there do too. So if you want to comment down below on what your health journey is looking like, and if you want to be held accountable, or if you just need people to talk to about how you're doing, like if you're doing really, really well and you just want to brag about it, or if you're struggling and stuff, I would like this to be the type of space where you can do that and you can just comment on things and other people can help boost each other up. That would be my biggest goal. Alright, this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a sloppy joe. I know what you're thinking. It looks disgusting. And it does look disgusting to an extent. But I promise you, it actually tastes really, really good. I've had this at least 2 times before, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Alright, so that's what that looks like. I have some serious, like, thing with avocados. I love avocados so much. I feel like it just makes things taste. Also, guys, don't forget to hydrate. Cheers. Refreshing. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below for 50% off of Nutrisystem if you guys want to try it. Don't forget to check out my Etsy store because I do have some cute stuff and I'm trying to make some more workout stuff for myself and for anybody else who's interested. As always, I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Mwah!